In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the MyFitnessPal app with a comprehensive beginner's walkthrough. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the MyFitnessPal app on your device. Once it's up and running, you will need to log into your account. Click on the Login button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and your password. Carefully enter your credentials, ensuring there are no typos before clicking Login again. And there you go. You should now be on the home page. The first thing you'll notice is a plus sign, which is your gateway to adding entries into your daily log. Give it a tap, and you'll be presented with multiple choices for inputting different types of data. Let's start by logging your food. You can simply search for a food item by typing it in, but let me share some features that make adding food quick and easy. There's a barcode scanning option. Just point your phone's camera at a product's barcode, and MyFitnessPal will populate the nutritional information automatically. Another option is using the voice log. By speaking directly into the app, you can quickly log what you've eaten. For even more convenience, there's a meal scan feature where you can actually scan the meal you're about to eat, and the app will attempt to identify it. Besides tracking what you eat, there's more you can do. You can add entries for the water you drink, your current weight, and any exercises you perform. All these details help paint a comprehensive picture of your health journey. Next, let's navigate to the Diary section. Tap on Diary from the home page. This section is where you can carefully input and track the foods you consume for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. By doing this consistently, you'll not only keep an eye on your calorie intake, but you can also monitor the nutrients you're consuming. This makes it easier to make diet adjustments based on your goals. After managing your diary entries, look for the Progress option. Within this feature, you can log your measurements every day. This ongoing tally of weight and measurements helps you visualize your journey, enabling you to celebrate successes or recalibrate if necessary. There you have it. Now you've got a solid grasp of the MyFitnessPal app's core functions. By integrating these habits into your daily routine, you're equipping yourself with the tools needed to make informed decisions about diet and exercise. Remember, consistency is key, so be sure to keep using the app regularly for the best long-term results. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.